Maintaining this unity is not optional. It is compulsory. It requires diligence. We have to be diligent in keeping the peace at every level of our relationship. Keep that peace. Is it easy? No. It's not easy. Is it possible? Yes. We can keep that peace. And it requires diligence, commitment to God, and commitment to one another. It requires intentionality. It should be intentional. I'm going to make peace. We should keep the peace at home. Keep it. Don't let it go. Some of us will let peace go. And if you let peace go, you let unity go, what is going to happen? Division will come. The church is called to live in unity as one body, the body of Christ, and Christ as the head. So a divided church cannot effectively carry out the Great Commission. A divided family cannot attain to the purpose of God concerning that family. A divided relationship or friendship at any level cannot get to do the will of God. And that is why this thing is so important. Maybe what you need to do, as you are hearing today, is to make every effort to keep the peace